Hello. Nah, hello. It's me making a YouTube video for first time in a few months, as per usual is with this channel. So I'd like to tell y'all what I've been up to. As you can see, it's video game. Uh, shut the phone. I be video game, work. I work for free when I'm not doing the first two. Then it goes sleeping. And then, if I'm lucky and I have enough time, I spend time with my companions and my friends and my wife. And then, if I'm really lucky, maybe an extra curricular activity. Usually, in order to do an extracurricular activity, you have to sacrifice something else. So then, it's like, well, what do you do, Bailey? You see, I work for a living, right? Crazy concept. So I do this thing, right, where I go to work and then, I found this wicked penguin at my mom's house, so I took a picture of it. No, it doesn't work like that. I found out my neighbor has this. That was tragic to find. Like, how do you feel when you find something like that, man? It's like part of me wants to move, but it's expensive, And then, what else? Work stuff. I built a server for all my nonsensicals. That's about it on that front. I saw gas was $2.20 at one point. That was pretty cool, as you can imagine. I found a customer gave me all these $2 bills, which were in series. Which how often do you get that many that were printed at similar times? You got 86, 87, 88, 89. Oh, I have 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I have 10, and I think that other one was different. This is a random cat. I was going to get my tires changed, right? And then this random fucking cat was like making myself at home in my lap. And I didn't want to like kick it or something because it's like, you don't know the fucking cat that is. It could have killed me. What else? What else? Some absolute fucking, 2 chromosome having retarded, I was going to say something. I can't say that on a microphone for a YouTube video. An idiot burned down one of our trash compactors at my apartment complex. I was very mad. Because it's like, we share that shit. How fucking hard is it to be a common human being? And the longer I experienced the real world, I found out that it's actually quite hard for people to think about anybody but themselves. It's an amazing concept. Oh yeah, I got some videos from work for either myself or just for training purposes. That is a coax. That is garbage. Whenever y'all are like the ISP, don't be doing a good service. This is exactly why right here, it's like this, because it's like it's not hard to do this, but like when customers have problems, they'll call a technician out, and the technician comes out, sees this nonsense, and then I'm like, no, get that shit out of my problem. I can't fix this. Look how garbage this is. You need a maintenance technician or somebody who has the bulky parts, because that right there, that's gonna cause problems. That's gonna cause problems. That's gonna cause a fudge ton of noise too. Not even the good kind. Noise is bad on coax. This has no rubber boot on it. This has no rubber boot on it. So good luck with moisture, and that's gonna rust over time if it's not already fucked up anyway. That just annoyed me. Oh yeah, there's a closer shot. Just nothing but problems here. Nothing but problems. And this ain't even a terminating tap either. You see how it goes down? Yep, it comes up and goes down. So good luck to whoever has this feature. Look at that twist too. That is so nasty. And then that bend. That right here, this is bad. That's gonna also cause signal problems. Coaxial speed test. Look at that. 900 down. 40 up. Then there's other metrics here, but I mean, not really that important. What else? Found a Blockbuster video while driving around. I didn't think it would happen, And what else? Oh, this is more infrastructure. This is what's called a node in a coax world. This is, you know how the cable leaves your house? It goes into a tap, hopefully not the one I showed you a minute ago. And then from the tap, it goes to down the line and then into this fancy smancy box. Then this box converts to fiber. And then the fiber goes all the way back to Atlanta most of the time. Well, if you're in Georgia, it probably goes to Atlanta. It's usually going to go to your nearest massive data center. Fiber splice box that goes with the node I just showed you. Yep. Yep. Yep, it's pretty big. Yep. Oh yeah, wait till look at that. I took a nice big old picture of it. It's whatever it is. You can look it up if you're bored. Oh, yeah, probably me showing a picture of how jacked up it is. Yeah, it's not supposed to wiggle like that. Whoever put this weather seal on did a bad job. Look, it's my boot. Next. Oh, cracking me up. I went to an apartment complex and, you know, this is old because the company I work for doesn't use filters anymore. But a filter is how you would like block TV signal or block internet signal, but usually it's for TV signal. So you could have just say an analog modem or an older modem, and then in that system, the cable wouldn't come down the line because in some systems like Vive Broadband has, I don't work for them anymore. Vive Broadband has the cable signals unencrypted analog, so you could take the coax plug it right in your TV, it'll work just fine. And then you could put a splitter on it, put the other line to your modem. You'll have internet and cable, boom. A filter stops the TV from coming down the line, and then that way, if you're not paying for TV, you don't get the TV. Kind of simple. But I thought that was funny. What else? Oh, just that same stuff. This is a terminating tap because it goes nowhere. It's got an X on the label. It's a 8-port 11 value tap. TLDR, it's a tap. You plug into it, service comes out of it. Oh, more pictures by me. Look at that. Look at that ancient nonsense. That is grounded for sure, but that is ancient. Oh yeah, if you ever wondered what actually plugs into the taps to keep the system going, coax. It's just a bigger coax cable. You'd be surprised, I know. Coax cable goes into a bigger coax cable, and then that bigger coax cable goes all the way to a node. This is a transformer. I was like, that's not supposed to be there. I think I took this picture and sent it to like my wife or friends or something. A fiber box, very creative. The company I work for currently was like, let's just not label our boxes. It's the only label you get is to open it. And then, oh yeah, look, yep, Spectrum. Beautiful company when they actually function properly. And then Spectrum being Spectrum, it's pretty bog standard fiber. Let's see. Oh yeah, I love this system too. Why number? Why label your taps, right? Or fiber access with numbers when you can do colors? Now internally, I'm sure that's helpful because the way fiber works, it's all colored inside the mainline cable. But for a technician, this is terrible unless it's documented ahead of time, because how the hell are you supposed to know which one is for you, right? It's like, oh yeah, just use the blue one or the whatever one. I think in this system, the blue is not blue. The green is first and then the blue, but I don't remember. This was a long time ago. Yep. The modems the Spectrum uses is a whopping possible 10 megabits per second. Probably have to blur that, or I probably may not be able to show this picture, but that's not the point. According, shut up, phone. This is the toolkit we use for the fiber splicing because I do that now. I saw this on a commercial ticket. I was like, what the fuck? They just spliced in the main power to bring it further along into the building they were building. I was like, that's something. Oh, I have the same graphics card that Tarkov has, so that was neat. Same kit. That's important. A tractor trailer boy who decided he was going to fiber with no taps. This is another tap. See this though, look, sometimes they use numbers. No, 1, 2, 3, and 4. You know, you would think this would be a global concept. Spectrum being Spectrum, it's not. What else? Oh, this is fiber optics. It's tiny. Very tiny. It's tiny. It's tiny. Very, very, very tiny. It's cool though. I like working with it. Reading light. Yep. An install I did. Look at that, crispy too. Nice and perfect.
What is that? What the fuck is that? What is that?
My guinea pig. I guess me on a ticket where there was no fiber, where there should have been fiber. Yep, no fiber where there should have been fiber. Excellent. Yep, another install I did. Oh yeah, crispy. Beautiful. It looks like that's all the pictures from work I have for now. Anyways, I'll probably play a video game at some point. Will I ever make a YouTube video again? Probably. This channel is more or less my personal little safe haven. So I'll make a video when I feel like making a video. Otherwise, let me go to my other monitor. Oh my god, yeah, let me go to my other monitor. Look at that. Whoop. You guys can look at that while I find a funny JPEG to pull up. Probably have more work photos. I always have work photos because I work a lot. Like, I work a stupid amount. What else do I got? And if you want to laugh, this is the saddest Ellie you've ever seen in your life, son. Look at that. This is a damn tragedy. It's just hard to look at. Bolts ain't closed. There were signal problems on that too. What else do I got? I remember when I found this burnt out line from a lightning strike. Oh, look, an RFOG unit. You don't see those too often. Yeah, you won't see a system like this too often. But RFOG's pretty neat. It's a bit goofy in my opinion. It's like backwards, you know. We run fiber to your house, right? And then we're like, what if we convert it back to coax inside your house, right? For the modem and cable. And I always thought that was really stupid. Because when we're ready to upgrade one day, we're going to have to come remove these out. Right? We're going to remove these out. And then we're going to put fucking fiber modems in it. But whatever. I'm ranting at this point. Do I got anything else, or do I have to go back to work? Because I actually got to work. It's probably why my phone's blowing up. Oh, that's nifty. This is a obviously fiber termination, but I think it's AT&T's, not a Spectrum one. This is like a 10 gig customer too. This was a wild amount of fiber just hanging around. But any whom's to div, I think we're good. I'll leave you with this beautiful JPEG. Some farmer got his own extension all the way into his little barn here. He was like, there we go, now you can have the internet brought to you. This was a crazy amount of feet too, and they had to boost the signal so much they'd use a equalizer, which basically fixes the signal, and then put it into a tap, and then boom, the signal was good enough for a modem to lock on with. Anyways, I'm gonna go back to my job. I'll make a YouTube video one day. Fuck you. Goodbye.